Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what is considered the best Bostitch Palm Nailer, the Mini Impact PN50. If you're in the market for a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-handle palm nailer, this tool might just be the one for you. The Bostitch PN50 is a compact yet powerful pneumatic nailer designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It weighs only 1 pound, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces where larger nailers can be cumbersome. This mini impact nailer drives most common bulk finish, framing, and timber nails, providing versatility across a wide range of projects. One of the standout features of this palm nailer is its ergonomic design. The rubber grip is crafted to insulate your hand and reduce vibration, which means you can work longer with less fatigue. Comfort is essential when you're using a tool all day, and Bostitch clearly put thought into making this tool user-friendly. The front exhaust system directs air away from your palm, ensuring that debris and air blasts don't interfere with your grip or comfort. Accessibility is another key aspect of the PN50. It comes with a 360-degree swivel air fitting, which allows you to connect the air hose from any angle. This flexibility is a game-changer when working in tight or awkward positions. You won't be constantly repositioning the hose or struggling to maintain control over the tool. Performance-wise, this palm nailer delivers consistent power with each strike. The mini impact mechanism provides enough force to drive nails securely into hardwoods, softwoods, and composite materials. It's perfect for finish work, cabinetry, framing in confined spaces, and even for timber framing. Its compact size does not compromise on power, making it an efficient tool for precise nail placement. Durability is also built into this tool. Bostitch is a brand known for high-quality construction, and the PN50 lives up to that reputation. It is built to withstand the rigors of job site use, ensuring you get a long-lasting, dependable tool. Whether you are a carpenter, remodeler, or hobbyist, this nailer is engineered to perform reliably day after day. Using the PN50 is straightforward. Just connect it to your air compressor, load the nails, and you're ready to go. The tool's lightweight nature helps reduce strain on your wrist and hand, and the reduced vibration means less fatigue. This can really improve productivity and make those detailed finish jobs much easier. While the Bostitch PN50 is compact and lightweight, it still offers the power and reliability you need for professional-grade work. Its design features, such as the rubber grip, front exhaust, and swivel air fitting, enhance usability and comfort. These thoughtful touches demonstrate why this model is so highly regarded among palm nailers. In summary, the Bostitch Palm Nailer Mini Impact PN50 combines power, comfort, and durability in a compact design that fits perfectly in your hand. It is a versatile tool that excels in tight spaces and is suitable for a variety of nails and materials. If you want a reliable palm nailer that reduces vibration, improves accessibility, and delivers consistent performance, this is the one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product insights. See you in the next video.